this is Lisa from Joyfully Art. So glad to be here again. This is my painting from my last video. It's a little dark, but I think it'll bring out the colors after I varnish it. Dried really nice. So we'll see after I varnish it how it comes out. So on with the next. Today I'm going to do a sink strainer pour. Haven't done one for a long time. This is 11 by 14 canvas, and my acrylic paint that I'm going to be using today is leftovers in this cup. I hope you can see them. Just a bunch of different ones in here, so I hope that they turn out. And I have my white paint handy to put around the edges to help the paint pour. So let's just get on with it and see how it goes. Some of that run out and see what it turns out like. There's no silicone. I don't think there's any silicone in any of these paints that I have in here, but there is metallic paints in here also. There's all kinds of colors in here, so it's hard telling what we'll come up with. Looks like a lot of green. See some rose gold. We can get down to the bottom. There's some orange in there, I can see. You can see that. There's some orange in there. I think it's coming out now. There it goes. There we go. Hands off a little bit. Let that sit for a minute to try and get that all to drain out. There we go. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. That is really kind of pretty. Did well in the middle. The orange came in the middle, so that's really nice. Give my white a shake. I just mixed it up last night, so let's give this a torch real quick. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Pour some white around so that it can, before I start to tilt, the paint will have something to flow over. There's my doggy barking. My hands off a little bit. She must be hearing something outside. Move this around a little bit. Kind of tough being left-handed in a right-handed world. You gotta improvise a lot when you're doing stuff. There we go. Okay, now let's see what we can do. I always hate doing this because it takes the shape away so much. Going around in a circle here a little bit. We can get it stretched first. You always want to take your paint back to the middle, the weight of your paint back to the middle. Be patient, it'll go down. Try this corner down here. I want to bring it back to the middle again. Turn it around for you so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, let's try this one down here. There's a lot of blue in there too, I guess. I'm going to come back again. Now let's get this corner down here. Let's get it back to the middle best we can and see what we've got. I think I'm gonna have to do this other one again, this other end. Let's try this way. Get this end covered. There we go. Come back. Now let's get this side. Corner. There we go. Now let's get it back to the middle. I'm sorry that you can't see this, but I'm just trying to. There we go. How's that? Can you see that better? Trying to get it back to the middle there. Let's see what we got here. How does that look? Let me see over here. There's a spot here I don't have. I think that looks pretty good. I haven't done one in such a long time that I kind of forgot what they look like. Work on my edges afterwards and make sure they're all covered. Don't want to keep you guys looking for so long. That looks pretty darn good to me. I love that orange. The orange and the blue together. Looks really nice. Let me wipe my hands off real quick so we can give it a torch. Make sure there's no nasty air bubbles in there. While I'm doing that, I sure would like if you would subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I put up any new videos. And share with your family and friends. Leave me a comment if you would like to. Anything you'd like to see me do. Try and give you a close-up. Looks pretty good, I think. Thank you for watching. And as always, please have a great day.